So one of the things that I like to do is take the cards that are in the box, the laminated blank cards, or you can turn one of the inequality symbols, you can turn it over and it'll be blank. But at any rate, you need about just 3 or so, and you would write numbers on them and then have the students put them in order, or have your child or your tutie put them in order. So how about we just start with the number like 18, and then we can have 8, and then how about 81? Oops, it's kind of backwards. So again, let's just have the student put these in order from least to greatest. And then one of the things that you want to do is have the students to begin using the inequality symbols, and that way they will know as they age which one is greater than, less than, or equal. Of course, they generally know equal to, and have them write it on the line, equal to. Or when it points to the right, have the student raise their right hand. This means greater than. So this symbol here reads is greater than. It's pointing to the right. Okay. So we want to pull out the two symbols, or, the symbols, or you don't have to. You can just have the students put them in order from least to greatest, or from greatest to least. So I am going to have my students use the inequality symbols. So I want them to put these numbers in order from least to greatest. So 8 is less than 18, and 18 is less than 81. So they have to know how to use the symbols. So is less than. So you have 8 is less than 18, and 18 would have another symbol between it, which is 81. So 18 less than 81. So that's how that would look. Okay. So you have 8